Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the single inclination of hexagonal prism of base 20 mm and height 60 mm is resting on its base edge on HP in such a way that the axis of the prism is inclined 40 degree to HP. So let's discuss the orthographic projection. At first we draw the XY line over here. So this is the XY line. Now we need to draw the hexagon on HP over here in such a way that on the right side we are showing the base edge. We can mark it here 20 mm. So this is the base edge. Now we have to mark 120 degree. Again 120 degree. Now we need to draw the front view of the prism, which is height 60 mm. Now we need to name here. This is A1 comma A. Here this is B1 comma B. Here C1 comma C. Here D1 comma D. E1 comma E. F1 comma F. So all the top corners is named as A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 and F1. All the base corners is named as A, B, C, D, E, F. So here we can see B then A. So here B dash comma A dash. Here C then F. So C dash comma F dash. Now D E. So D dash then E dash. Here we give the suffix 1. So at first we can see B1 then A1. So B1 dash comma A1 dash, then C1 after F. So elevation point is C1 dash comma F1 dash, then D after E. So D1 dash comma E1 dash. So this is the front view and the top view of the hexagonal prism. Now we need to tilt the axis to 40 degrees. So we have to draw it here. So this 40 degree we take the complementary angle on DB line to 50 degree. So we plot a point over here. So this is the point D dash E dash, and we mark the 50 degree. So the 40 degree will be tilted to the axis. We can mark that also. Now we mark a certain distance over here, and this is the 40 degree angle. So we can mark it here, or we can use it with the help of the measurement over here. So here we mark DA, then DC over here. So these are the points here. This is B dash comma A dash, here C dash comma F dash, here D dash comma E dash. Now we can take the 60 mm over here. We can mark it here. From here also we can mark the 60 mm line. Now we can use the diagonal, body diagonal. So we mark this distance DA. So mark the DA over here from A D1 over here. So I take this distance over here using a thin line. Using these two lines, I mark here. Yes. So this is the 60 mm. I mark the distance here also. So we mark this distance over here. We just tilt it over here and we can mark the distance and name it. So here this is B1 dash comma A1 dash, here C1 dash comma F1 dash, here D1 dash comma E1 dash. So we name all the points. Now we need to draw vertical lines. So we draw 6 lines. Now we need to join these 12 points using the lines, the horizontal lines. Now can now we can name the points. So this is A coincide with the point A over here. So this is A, then B, and this is the point coincide with B. So here B, C, C. So this is point C. D, here it is D. E coincide with E. F, here F. Then A1 coincide with the line A1 here. So here A1, here B1, C1, D1, E1, F1. So we mark the 12 points. Now we need to connect all the outer points first. So this is the outer points. So we connect the outer points. Now we are going to find out the hidden edges. So the points near to the XY line will be hidden when we look from here. So D dash and E dash will be hidden. So from each point there will be 3 lines. From D there's a line to DC, DE, DD1. From E also there will be 3 lines from the corner E. So that is EF, ED, EE1. So we have to connect that as hidden edges using the dotted lines, dashed lines. We marking the hidden edges D to D1, E to E1. So at first we have to connect the outer points, then find out the points near to the XY line, then connect the hidden edges. After that, we have to connect the remaining points, that is A1, 3 lines from A1, that is A1, F1, A1A, then B1, B1 to B, BA, and BC. So this is the final figure. So we connect all the points. Now we can give the thick lines. So it is given as 60 mm. So this is 20 mm, and this angle with the axis as 40 mm. So as this angle will be 50 degree, 40 degree and 50 degree. You can mark it with thick lines. Yes, you can finish it. So this is the orthographic projection of the hexagonal prism. Thank you.